2017 Veloster. But today we're gonna go ahead and fix this rear bumper. So we're gonna remove it and install a brand new one. And right here is gonna be our brand new Veloster. This one's gonna be the non-turbo model. So just make sure that if you do order from us, that you're choosing the right model. So the turbo one and the one without turbo makes a huge difference in the rear bumper. Okay. All right, guys. So the tools you're gonna need for this install is gonna be three easy things. It's gonna be a ratchet with a 10mm. It's gonna be a specialized tool. It's gonna be called a panel tool remover, but you can use two flatheads if you don't have this thing. It just makes it a lot easier for you. And then you're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver also. All right, we're gonna start off with opening up the trunk. We're gonna remove the taillights first. So to remove the taillight, you're gonna need a 10mm ratchet. Alright, so to remove the tail light, you're gonna try to wedge yourself right here and you're gonna push it at an angle. So when you do that, it should release like that. You're gonna probably use a little bit more force in that on some vehicles that have the tail light hasn't been taken off. But yeah, you just gotta use a lot of force basically. And you gotta do it at an angle. Because what you're trying to do is trying to remove this tail light from this piece because it's stuck on this clip right here. Right. Once that's removed, go ahead and unclip it. Alright, same thing on this side. Alright, once the hard part is done, we're going to go ahead and go underneath the car and start taking off the parts underneath and on the sides. Alright, so I'm going to use the Phillips first. We're going to take off these two screws right here. Alright, the next step is going to be taking off this bolt right here with a 10mm. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, the next step is going to be underneath. We're going to take off some clips. So on this side right here, you're going to use this panel remover. Just like that. And you're going to remove this clip. You can remove this thing with a screwdriver. Sometimes it won't come out, but just push the top portion of it up and the screw should come right off. And then 10 millimeter, take this off. Another 10 millimeter right here. Again, either if you have one of these panel removers or flathead, you can use this. Just take this off. So once you remove this cover right here, you're gonna notice another screw. So you just go ahead and take that off. Alright, so the reason why I took out the tail lights is because you gotta get behind right underneath here and take off this clip and this screw right here. Alright, since we remove all the clips, all the bolts, now we can go ahead and go to one side of the bumper and pry it off. Go to the other side. Grab it right from the middle. Alright, now that you move the bumper, you're gonna pry it back a little bit, and you're gonna notice you're gonna need to take this off, these sensor. Then another one on the other side. And then right behind the bumper, you're gonna see this bolt right here. You're gonna remove that with a 10 millimeter. Then one more. There we go.
And that is all there is to it. You have removed your rear bumper for your Veloster in less than 10 minutes. So if this helps you out, please leave a like. It helps us out. And as always, visit us at ReveMoto.com. Thank you.